Hey, what's up? It's BadMad and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I'm BadMad and I want you to join the baddie squad today. Do you notice anything different about my intro today? I don't have lashes on, and that is because today's video we are going to be talking all about magnetic lashes. I am a makeup artist, one of my many passions, and I have never used magnetic lashes on any of my clients or even tried it on myself. So I'm super excited about today's video because we are going to be doing it all today. I'm going to be spilling the tea and giving you my first impression on two different magnetic lashes that I picked up from my local drugstore. Before we get into it, I'd like to point out this gorgeous statement piece I'm wearing. It is from the jewelry line IThoughtOfYou. I've spoken about them before. I modeled for their fall campaign in 2019 and I absolutely fell in love with their pieces. So the company is women-owned and provides other women with jobs and sustainable income. And I think that their message and their motto is just absolutely amazing. Please support them. I'm going to drop the link down below. If you're looking for a last-minute Mother's Day gift, this is an awesome option. Not only this necklace, but all of their jewelry and accessories. So check them out. Are magnetic lashes worth it? Are they safe? Do they work? Well, baddies, I'm going to be answering all of these questions for you in today's video, so stay tuned. Alrighty, so I have seen a million different reviews on YouTube about magnetic lashes, and I figured I would take a stab at these, especially since I am a makeup artist. I've been a makeup artist for 8+ years, and I mostly do makeup in the fitness industry now for fitness competition makeup. However, I also do makeup for photo shoots, for catalog, for just everyday glam. I've done bridal glam. So I really have done all different types of makeup, and obviously hearing that magnetic lashes are now available to everyone, it kind of makes me wonder if they're in fact worth it. And I think everybody's had this question in their mind because everyone's been posting reviews and videos and tutorials. So I wanted to provide one for you baddies. I have two different brands here. I personally love Ardell's normal lashes that you apply with lash glue, so I was really excited to see that they had a magnetic pair available. This comes with a magnetic gel liner and a wispy pair of lashes. The second I picked up is the Eylure ProMagnetic lashes, and this comes with your typical black brush on eyeliner. And what really drew me to these is they look a little more voluminous. So I was thinking I'm going to do one on one eye and one on the other, so we'll see which of these magnetic lashes I like the best. I also wanted to say that I did a little bit of research on magnetic lashes in general. So I have sensitive eyes. Obviously they're light in color, and I also wear contacts. I'm a little bit skeptical about putting magnets on my eyes. That doesn't sound like something that would be safe. So I went ahead and did a little bit of research. I discovered that for the most part, eye doctors say that magnetic lashes are no different than using your typical lash glue with lash strips. One optometrist said that the magnetic frequency that is in these lashes is so low that it shouldn't really have any negative effects on your eyes, because that was a huge red flag to me. I'm like, okay, there's magnetic junk in these lashes. I don't really want those right next to the most sensitive part of your body. So I was already kind of thinking that when I heard about magnetic lashes, but according to studies, the magnetic frequency is not high enough to be problematic. That still makes me cringe a little bit. I also noticed on both of these boxes, it says patent pending. If you watch Shark Tank, which by the way, shout out Shark Tank, that's a great show, check it out if you haven't watched, you know that patent pending means that magnetic lashes have not been claimed by a certain brand. I thought that it was ironic though that both of these brands have patent pending on the box, which indicates to me that there haven't been that many studies about this if it's not even patented yet. So just something to consider. You know, us baddies are all about health and wellness, so just something to consider. However, in the research that I did find, no red flags were brought up about using magnetic lashes. Okay, so I'm going to zoom us in. There we are. Okay, so on my eyes currently, I did a smoky, bronzy eye. I have liner on my bottom with mascara, and I don't have any liner or mascara on top. For the purposes of this video, I wanted to keep my eyes plain so that we can see how the liners go on. If I was using these on a client or in my everyday life, I probably would do liner first. If you haven't checked out my how to apply regular lashes video, check that out. A lot of people have messaged me and said that my tutorial was super helpful and that they have never been able to put them on, but after my video they were able to, which is really exciting. So check that out if you struggle with applying regular lashes. This is the Eylure eye gel. So I'm gonna do one eye at a time. They give you a little brush. I like a gel liner because you can be a little bit messy with it. It's very forgiving. Okay, so that's what that is looking like. The directions on the box say to apply 2 coats, so I'm gonna let this dry. Also doubles as a brow. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Okay, let's see what happens. That is sticking. That is so bizarre. Both corners are attached. Not bad at all. Okay. This comes with a liquid liner. That's a very pigmented liquid liner. This was a little bit easier. Boom, see, I'm already done with the liquid liner. I think that's why I always use liquid liner. I just love how simple it is to use the brush, but that looks very nice on. These directions say that we are going to wait 2 more coats after this. I just took my ring finger and just pat the corner to make sure that it's dry. It is, so 1 more coat of this. Love that. So you can trim these, obviously, but we have 2 different styles here. We have the Eylure and we have the Wispies. And can you guys see a difference?
What's the big idea?
Now that I've had it on for a minute, this eye feels a little bit like there's something on it. This one feels like there's nothing on it whatsoever. That is so interesting. I'm going to take my lash curler and let's see if these can curl. Boom. Okay, let's try our other lashes. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Are we serious? They came right off. I can already tell that this eye feels a little bit tight, almost like irritated, whereas this one feels perfectly good. Dang it, Ardell, I normally love them. Just going over with the black liquid liner, and okay, yeah, this kicks the gel's butt. I love it. It's so easy, it's so simple. I don't know if because we used 3 coats of this, it just worked out better, but I also would say it's a bad sign that my eyes were feeling a little bit irritated from the Ardell. That just really surprises me because I love their everyday lash. Oh yes, beautiful. Yep, they can handle a lash curler. I mean, these look and feel amazing. 10 out of 10 recommend, baddies. You saw it here first, baddies. No one is more surprised than I am. Ardell dropping the ball. Eylure ProMagnetic is the winner of this lash face off. I would 10 out of 10 recommend. I'm actually shook. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this video was helpful. I know it was helpful for me. I would suggest everyone go out and at least try a pair of magnetic lashes to see how you like them, because I know lashes are intimidating and a lot of people struggle with the application. This is pretty seamless and apparently is safe. I recommend the Eylure ProMagnetic as you just saw. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you baddies next time.